Alright, so here's the directory where the files are sitting, and here's our index file header and footer. Let's do about. So we'll just call this about. And we can probably just pretty much save it as about, and we'll do that. File, save as, and we'll call this one about. Alright, save. And the other one is identity, so we'll save that too. So save as identity. Now you are encouraged to go to the W3 CSS site and have a look at some of the stuff that's there and make the changes. I'm going to probably do some stuff, but I won't spend too much time on video doing it. I'll make some changes and we can compare notes maybe a bit later on to see how we came up. The one that does require a bit of attention is the contact page, so we'll save that as identity. Alright, so there they are, and I guess if I just maybe this is the identity page or something. They're going to make some really small changes here. This is the identity page. So that's a little bit different for the moment. This is the identity page. The rest is going to stay the same. The table can go if you want. We'll get rid of the table just so you can see there's a bit different. So this is the identity page, and save that, and then we'll go back to about. ABOUT. This is the about page. This is the about page. We'll save it as about. Save. Okay, overwrite. Now we'll go to the header, and as you can see, we need to put that as PHP. We need to put this as about PHP. We got lucky with that index one. And identity .php, and this one will be contact.php. NTACT, whoops, couldn't spell it right. Goodness me. Contact.php. And down here we've got about .php and identity .php and contact .php. Alright, so there's the header one that's been changed as well, and now we'll just put them across. So we've got those three: header, about, identity. That's all we should need for the moment. The header, yes, we want to overwrite that. So they're across. This is the foot page. Let's just refresh. Okay, so home, about, and identity. Oh, see what happens? Just little things. There we go. Right, make sure that's correct. Home, about, let's check. This is the about page. Identity, this is the identity page. So that's all we changed. And contact, there's nothing here yet. This is what you'd expect. So contact hasn't been done, but it will get done next because of the bit involved there. You did do a contact in the PHP when you were doing Hello World, so hopefully you've done work through that, so I don't have to go over too much of that type of ground. There will be a couple of variations though the way contact works on this site.